How to log in to your TikTok account. Now in order to log in to your TikTok account, just simply open your TikTok app after installing it and tap to agree and continue. And after tapping in there, you need to allow the permissions in TikTok in order to use it. Then you can choose what you would like in order to view the TikTok effectively. You can also skip it from here. Then you can select the language or you can also skip it. Then after that you can swipe and start scrolling on TikTok. But in order to log in, you just simply need to tap into your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap in there and then you will see the option of login. If you have already logged in once, it will show this page in order to log into the same account, or if you haven't, you will see this page. Now you need to tap to the button of login and then you will see this page. Now in order to log into your TikTok account, you have to select the login method. You can use either phone number, email or username, or Facebook and Google account. Just simply select which method that you have used in order to create your TikTok account. I have used Google, so that I'll select continue with Google here. Then after that, you need to select the account which you have used in order to create the account in TikTok. And after that, your account will successfully be logged in your TikTok. So this easily you can log into your TikTok account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.